Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Muro back again with another video. I hope that you guys are having the best day ever. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe so that way you don't miss any videos. So, the largest US cryptocurrency exchange is going public at a time when Bitcoin is at a record high. Here's what to consider before investing. If you're one who's thinking about adding this company to your portfolio, the listing has been called game-changing, a milestone for cryptocurrencies as they become more mainstream. But even the most bullish Bitcoin investor will remember the crash of 2018. Coinbase's fate is closely tied to the digital currency market. Coinbase has benefited extremely from the latest Bitcoin boom. It's the biggest place in the US to buy the most famous digital coin. Cryptocurrency exchanges represents the increasing mainstream means of investing in digital currency. Exchange charge fees of several percent to deposit funds and trade, which is one of the main ways Coinbase makes its money. And it's most definitely making that money. Earlier this month, the company said it's expected to report a first quarter profit of $730 million to $800 million, more than double what it earned in all of 2020. In just the first 3 months of this year, Coinbase said this likely generated a revenue of $1.8 billion, already blowing past last year's total of $1.3 billion. The firm has shown that lots of people continue to use its services. Coinbase reported having 56 million verified users in the first quarter, with an average of over 6 million users who transact monthly. Still, the company makes it very clear in its filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission that its success is linked to the gyrations of the digital currency market, stating, "Our operating results have and will significantly fluctuate due to the highly volatile nature of crypto." Coinbase soars in the market debut, valued near $86 billion. Wow, that's crazy. Coinbase made a rousing debut on Wall Street, with shares of the digital currency exchange rising as high as 429, briefly giving it a market value of over $100 billion. Coinbase Global Inc.'s initial public offering happened with cryptocurrency chatter seemingly everywhere, even at the US Federal Reserve. Digital currencies are being incorporated into business plans accepted for payment by major corporations like Tesla, PayPal, and Visa. But if you're looking for a reason to stay clear of the cryptoness, the cryptocurrencies, what goes up must come down. And if that's how you're feeling about Bitcoin's current stretch into the stratosphere, you're likely to feel the same way about Coinbase. As the company states very clearly in its prospectus, a majority of our net revenue is from transactions in Bitcoin and Ethereum. If demand for these crypto assets declines and it's not replaced by new demand for crypto assets, our business, operating results, and financial condition could be adversely affected. I mean, it feels so great now because it's been so good since 2020. It's easy to forget how bad it was in the late 2018 and 2019. And the company really is essentially on that roller coaster that they're really having to ride. Elon Musk has something to say about Bitcoin. He said that he should have bought that digital currency 8 years ago. Shouldn't we all have? His company Tesla has also promised customers that they can buy their cars with Bitcoin. These high-paying investors are trying to pave the way for the future of cryptocurrencies. So I ask you, the viewer, if you have any stocks in Bitcoin, or what stocks do you feel would be the next Bitcoin? Let me know what you think about all this in the comments down below. If you're an investor and you like investing in stocks, who are you going through? Who are you using? Do you like the famous Robinhood, or do you like Webull? A lot of people are going more towards the Webull because they're offering more stocks, free stocks when you share, when you send out that link. But I have tried both, and I'm a big fan of Robinhood. To me, the simplicity of using it consistently, even with being green just a year ago, getting into the stock market, getting into investing, I started giving more money each week to kind of build up my portfolio so that way I can invest in the stocks that I felt like were gonna boom one day. Now remember, sometimes it doesn't happen overnight and it could take years. Can you imagine investing in Bitcoin 8 years ago and then seeing where it's at now? I mean, you'd be a millionaire if you would have bought 100, 200, 300 stocks at what, 8 cents a share? I mean, come on now. Easy money. Sometimes you got to wait for the long run. You got to put in the time, the investment in order to get those huge results. But I'd like to know from you guys, Robinhood has been so simplistic in allowing me to come in and invest and put some money down, deposit, withdrawal, that it's just too easy not to use it. Now, Webull is a different ball game, same thing, just a different name, different setup. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So let's talk about this giveaway. I should make another video and let's try to hit 300 subscribers. Who's with me? Do you think that we can hit 300 subscribers? And let's do, we'll say, what, $125 giveaway? I mean, it's more than 100. It's not quite 200, but we're only going for 300 subscribers. So you guys let me know what you think about in the comments below. I mean, it's free money. It's easy money. Cash App, PayPal. We can make it happen for you. You guys are awesome. I appreciate every time you guys like, support, be the first one to watch my video. Hey, it means a lot. It makes me want to make more videos. I want to bring you guys news. I want to bring you guys the updated information. And this is something more about investing. This is not about stimulus, but for a lot of us that are trying to get ahead, that are trying to invest and make the right investments, when we have extra cash, it's better to put it in something that in the return is going to make us more money. It's going to increase our money. It's going to increase our worth. So it may not happen now, but we know that if we keep investing over time, things can really add up, and that's where we're planning for the future instead of just right now. I mean, it all takes time, especially when you're investing in stocks. Looking at stocks and portfolios from other rich millionaires, I mean, this happens over a long period of time. Don't get discouraged because you may fall into a stock that's just like Bitcoin, that's really going to elevate your money flow, that's really going to make you a whole lot of money. It just takes time. Slow and steady wins the race. I think I've heard that from somewhere. Stay tuned because I've got more information to come, but I would like to know from you guys as well. Should I make more videos on the stimulus package or should we go more towards investing? Let me know and I'll definitely make the videos. Until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.